Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to Walking with Pics. I've given myself a 30-minute black and white photography challenge, a 1.5 mile loop around my house whilst out walking with Elvis, proving you don't have to travel far to have fun capturing photos. So let's see what this frosty morning has to offer. So, that icy puddle you're just about to walk past might not look like much, but stop and take a closer look. It can become a fantastic source for abstract images. I love exploring old graveyards, not just for the photos, but also for the history. They offer amazing compositions, but remember, always be respectful and avoid walking on the graves. Well, almost home. That wraps up our 30-minute challenge. Hopefully it's inspired you to explore your local area. You don't need to travel far to get some great photos. Next time, we're back with film photography, my favourite, and my newly acquired 1938 Voigtlander Besser folding camera. Enjoy this recap of today's images and thanks for watching.